Good morning, Anna.
Good morning, John.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well. And you?
I slept okay. I had a funny dream.
Really? What was it about?
I was making breakfast for a dragon.
A dragon? Wow! What did you cook?
Pancakes, of course. Dragons love pancakes.
That's so funny.
Speaking of pancakes, are you hungry?
Yes, very hungry. Let's make breakfast.
Great idea. What should we cook?
Let's make eggs and toast.
And maybe some orange juice?
Yes, I love orange juice in the morning.
Do we have eggs?
Let me check the fridge. Yes, we have 4 eggs.
Perfect. How many do you want?
2 for me, 2 for you.
That's fair.
Do we have bread?
Let's see. Yes, a new loaf.
Good. I'll put the bread in the toaster.
And I'll crack the eggs.
Be careful, don't drop them.
Don't worry, I'm a professional.
A professional egg breaker?
Exactly.
You're so funny.
Oh no,
What happened?
I dropped one egg.
Ugh, John, you said you were a professional.
I was until 5 seconds ago.
Don't worry, we still have 3 eggs.
Good. I'll clean the mess.
I'll get a towel.
Thank you, Anna.
All clean now.
Great. Let's start again.
I'll turn on the pan.
Okay, some oil or butter?
Butter, please. I like the smell.
Me too. It smells like Sunday morning.
Yes, lazy and happy.
The butter is melting.
Now add the eggs.
Done. Should we add salt?
A little bit, not too much.
Okay. Do you want pepper?
Yes, just a pinch.
The eggs look good.
The toast is ready too.
Perfect timing.
Let's put the eggs on the plates.
Done. Do we have juice?
Yes, in the fridge.
I'll pour 2 glasses.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Cheers.
Cheers to breakfast.
Wait, do we have jam?
Jam for the toast?
Yes, I love strawberry jam.
Let me check. Oh no, only blueberry jam.
That's okay. Blueberry is nice too.
Good, I'll bring it.
I'll get knives and forks.
Great teamwork.
We should open a restaurant.
Haha, only for dragons.
The Dragon Cafe. I like that name.
Yes, pancakes for dragons and humans.
And eggs, of course.
Always eggs.
This smells amazing.
I agree. Let's eat.
The eggs are perfect.
Thank you, Chef Anna.
And thank you, Assistant John.
Assistant, I did the eggs.
But I made the toast.
Fine, we're both chefs.
Deal.
Do you want more juice?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're very kind.
Always when I'm not breaking eggs.
Haha, you're famous for that.
Maybe next time I'll make pancakes.
Yes, like in your dream.
But no dragons, please.
Oh, come on. Dragons are fun.
Only if they help clean the kitchen.
Haha, good point. Look at the table. It's a bit messy.
Yes, butter everywhere.
Let's clean it before we eat more.
Okay, I'll get a cloth.
I'll move the plates.
Done. So clean now.
Nice job.
You know, breakfast with you is always fun.
Really? Even with broken eggs?
Especially with broken eggs.
Haha, you're too kind.
No, I mean it. You make mornings better.
Aw, thank you.
You're welcome.
So, what's the plan for today?
I think I'll go for a walk
That sounds nice. I'll join you.
after we finish breakfast.
Of course, no walking with an empty plate.
Right.
Want some more toast?
Yes, one more, please.
Coming right up.
You're the best.
I know.
So confident.
Always when it's about toast.
Okay, Mr. Toastmaster.
That's me.
This was a perfect breakfast.
Yes, simple and happy.
Let's do it again tomorrow.
Deal. But tomorrow you break the eggs.
No way.
Come on.
I don't want to clean the floor.
Haha, fair enough.
Okay, let's finish and go for our walk.
Great idea. Let's go enjoy the sun.
Best breakfast ever.
Best team ever.